Hello, sir. Are you there?
I'm here.
Yeah, I think there is some conflicts on timings in your calendar. Okay. So Monday and Friday. Monday is, as per our discussion, Monday is technical training and Friday is a RoyalQ overview session. So your time is 3 p.m. and our time is 7:30 p.m. IST. Is that
Okay.
correct?
No. I've been making mistakes in the time zone, in the timing. Your own 8:30 p.m. in India is our own 4 p.m. here. But my mistake, I always thought that when your own time is 8:30 p.m. there, I thought it's 3 p.m. So I've been making that mistakes. So I think I've corrected it now. So I'm not making that mistake again going forward. And I want to welcome everybody this evening to tonight's meeting. And according to leader Madaya, we'll be having, actually, we're supposed to be having technical training on Mondays, but we were supposed to have it on Monday, but we couldn't have it. So it is now, we just have to shift it to Wednesday today. So going forward by next week, we'll be having our technical training every Monday, 8:30 p.m. Nigeria time. And every Friday will be for uh, our general RoyalQ, introduction to RoyalQ, where you can invite people to RoyalQ if you want to invite new people. So let us just start. I welcome everybody tonight. I can see AA, Bandikari, Mr. Kuma, Mr. B. Baska, Mr. Ramesh Babu, Mr. Bir. I welcome every one of us, and I believe most of us are in our register member group. So let me start by sharing my screen. I think I'm recording. Okay, I'm already recording, so let me share my screen. So I will need a confirmation in the chat if you are hearing my voice. Just type 2 in the chat if you are hearing my voice and you are seeing my screen. Just type 2 in the chat if you are hearing my voice and you are seeing my screen, please. Okay, thank you very much. So the first thing I want to first discuss is to discuss about the signals that I've sent so far in the group, especially for those I sent signal. I think I sent signal. I send this signal. I want to first do that first. So I want to give us a institution report on the signal so far. I think I sent link. I sent link. And I sent I think I sent theta too. I think I sent theta. Okay, this is it. I sent theta. And I sent feel. I sent feel. So I also sent I think I sent this recently link to leader Madaya. That was let me check. Okay, I sent you LTC. That was last week, Friday 17. Okay, I need to talk about Neo too. Neo, because I've seen Neo for a very long time. So I need to analyze Neo for us. I know some people that have been in that Neo for a very long time now. So far so good. Because the way coins deliver, they deliver at different times. So they deliver at different times. So let me first analyze Neo, because I know some of us here I've been on NEO for a very, very long time. That's why anytime I want to introduce anybody to RoyalQ trading, I always give a disclaimer. I always tell them not to have a mindset of daily returns. It can be daily, you can be getting daily profits, or you might not. So let me first analyze NEO. NEO as at I think as at yesterday, NEO was about to come up, but there was a news that happened recently. If you check here, okay, let me go to 1 day because NEO is almost 12 days now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. NEO is about 12 days now. That's been on it. We have been on that trade for a very long time because we entered NEO when NEO was around $13, $13.03, around this price. Around this price when we started. That's why you see I draw this black line, Now in crypto, when you do your analysis that you want to enter a coin and this coin will deliver, the market can go against you. The market can go against you. That is why you discover that since we enter NEO, NEO has been coming down. That's why you see all these bars, all these candles, it has been coming down since then. It has been coming down. That's why if you go and check your trade on RoyalQ, you'll see that your trade might have gone down. Let me check. It must have gone down by you can see that your trade must have gone down by, let's say, minus 19%. So there's no cause for any alarm because that's the nature of crypto. That's the nature of crypto. But the beauty is that despite the fact that the coin is going down, if you go and check the 1 hour, maybe the 4 hours, you will see the movement of the coin. That is, the coin is doing up and down, is doing up and down. But generally, the coin has been on a downtrend. I sense it has been on a downtrend, down, down, down. But when it does a little movement up, you see that the bot will still be making some money for you. But the money to be making, it will be very, very small. You will just be making cents, maybe cents, because at that point in time, the bot is just buying at the lower level, lower margin call. And the lower margin call, the amount that is there is like $15. $15. So anytime it's selling at that point, it just be giving small cents until it reaches the highest level to give you more profit. So my projection is that from the RSI here, we can see here that NEO at the RSI here is already pointing up here. So we're expecting to go up. If not for what happened yesterday, that was what made the market to crash yesterday when news came out that the US has is filing a suit against CZ in Binance US. So the market crashed a lot. So if you are analyzing a coin and there is a general news in the whole market, crypto market, you see that the coin that you are trading will go down. So that's why anytime I send signal, I always say that nobody controls the market. Anything can happen in the market, but your money is safe. We just need to wait for more time. So we should be expecting this coin for it to come up. I'm always watching this coin because I'm also in the trade. We're expecting this coin to take more days to come up. It might take maybe another 4 or 5 days or a week. I can't really say, but it will take more time to go up. So we need to be patient on that NEO. So for some of us that enter, let me go to people that enter into fuel. I think I said fuel. on that was on Monday. Today is Wednesday. Fuel, let me go and check fuel. Fuel, we enter fuel when the price, I sent that signal when the price was $4.831. That was when we enter fuel. And you can see that the coin, this long bar you are seeing here, this bar, long bar you are seeing here is one, it was a bar that this long bar that is red color here, it happened yesterday. But normally, if not for that news, this coin will have gone up like this. So because of that news yesterday, a lot of selling happened that made this massive sell to happen yesterday. So that's why the coin went down like seriously. So in the 1-day chart, I'm expecting that the coin should start moving up from here to go up. And the moment it breaks this place up, then yesterday in the next 3-4 days, this coin might deliver. So that's about fuel. Then the next one is I think Theta USDT was also sent on Monday, and it was sent when the price was the same thing also happened. Are you not seeing it? This big red candle was what happened yesterday. Because normally, if not for this big red candle, this today, this coin will have delivered yesterday. If not for that news yesterday, all this big red candle happened yesterday. So if not for this news yesterday, this coin will have come up and deliver. So don't worry, the graph is already pumping up, so the distance is not much. So maybe in the next 2-3 days, this coin might deliver. So if you go and check the 4-hour charts, you will see that the coin is already coming up. If you go to the 1-hour chart, you see that the movement, I love the movement. The movement is coming up gradually. The movement is like this. Are you seeing it? It's doing like this, it's doing like this, and it's coming up. So if you are on Theta, be patient. The coin will deliver. So let me also talk about Link. Link is almost close to delivering. If it doesn't deliver today, I'm seeing it delivering on probably tomorrow. It's already getting close to the entry price. So it might come down a little. Are you not seeing the movement? Are you not seeing the big movement it did some hours? Are you seeing the movement it did? Then in the 4 hours, it's already getting to the overbought rate. I see now. It is spiked up here. This is the entry price. It's spiked up. So you need a strong candle here for it to come up. So if we go to the 1-day chart, you can see that it's already close. This coin is going to do well. I think this coin is going to do well because as you can see a very big long candle here. So just a small candle that is needed here. So by tomorrow, sorry about that. So by tomorrow, I expect this Link to deliver. I expect it to deliver. So let me also talk about people that are being acro. Acro has been sleeping for a very, very long time. I know some people that are in acro. Acro has been sleeping seriously. For people that have invested heavily in acro, I can't use 1-day chart for us because I have to use 1 week. I see a long way for this coin to deliver. In another 4 days, we need this coin. You can see from here, in another 4 days time, the graph is at the oversold region. So we just need this to point up. We need more green candles to form up here. If you can just touch 0.096, touch up here, then a lot of people that are being this trade, you'll be able to get back their USDT back because it has been stagnant for a very long time. So no matter how long this coin still comes, is going to still come up, but it might still take time. It might take another 2-3 weeks from this my chart here. So it might still take more long time, maybe by December. The miracle might happen on this coin. So we need to be patient, anybody that is on this coin. And I remember that somebody on LTC. Let me just do the analysis very fast. LTC, LTC, LTC. Somebody is on LTC, and I told that person should be patient because I know each person that are on different coins. I monitor everybody's trade. I don't like leaving people behind in their trades. So if we are on LTC too, LTC needs to come up. Okay, you can see it's pointing up. It's pointing up. If you can just break this place, you can see that the graph is pointing up here. It's pointing up. So if you can just travel up to this 0% level, that's about $76. And if you can bring this $80, at least anybody that is in this trade, make sure you go and switch off your margin call so that the bot will not be buying again, so that it will be releasing the USD back to you, so that you can use it to enter into another trade. I think I'm done with that explanation on giving us our feedback on our signals that we have entered for some time. So the next thing I'll be talking about is how we can use use trading view. From there, I will go to, so I want some of us to learn how to use trading view. I want us to learn how to use trading view, and I already downloaded trading view. I will just touch it a little bit. I won't go too much into it. I want to go and talk about RoyalQ settings. So let me go to my trading view. I'm coming. I've already downloaded my trading view. Okay, this is it. So make sure you go to your Play Store to download the trading view app. And the moment you download it, sign up with it with your email and your password. Then if you now want to use the trading view, the first thing after you have signed up on it is for you to add a list. So if you go to your RoyalQ, let me go to one of my RoyalQ app. All the coin that we are trading, you will see it on RoyalQ. So when you open your RoyalQ, go here to the home page, you see all the list of all the coins we are trading, all the coins that are paired with USDT. You can see them. So you have to be adding them one by one. So you'll be adding them one by one. So you go to you can see the first one I want to add is BNB. So you go here after you have set up your trading view, you click add lists. You click add lists. You click add the lists. Then after you click add the list, you now come here to add symbol. Then just click maybe later. Then begin to search the coins you want to add to your list one by one. Then you click plus. You must pick the one that has Binance. So you go again. What's the next one? MDX. You search for MDX, MDX USDT, USDT. You click plus sign. Make sure you add the one on Binance. Then you add Matic. So let me add. I'll just add like 5. Matic USDT. Then you click plus. Go for the one on Binance. Let me add 1 inch and AAV. 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 inch and AAV. 1 inch. Then let me add AAVE. AAVE on Binance. Let me add ETH. ETH. I'll add that. Let me add LTC. I'll add that. So that's how you'll be adding. So we now go back. You can see your watch list now. So you continue adding until you add all the coins that you want to be you want to be studying. So there's a way you can name them. You can name them, you can remove all these. If you don't want to see all these ones, you can remove them, delete them one by one. But this PS for trading on gold. So remove all this, so that the coins you are trading is what you want to be seeing only. Because we are not trading forex, we're not. You can see here that the trading view can be used for features. If you check, you can use it for features, for stocks, for features, for forex. But if you want to use it for analysis on crypto, you put only your crypto coins there. So I will continue to remove this. Remove, you remove, you remove, you remove. So you only have your crypto that you are trading on RoyalQ. So you can add more until you add everything. So now when you want to use let me remove BTC USD. So when you want to use the RoyalQ, if you want to analyze, but the next thing you need to do is you need to go to menu, you need to set your time. You need to set your time. I'm coming. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go to the charts. Let's go to the watch list. So if you want to set your time zone, you enter one of the coins, then you go to this box here. You click this box. You click that box. Then it will show this. So all this is just a promotion for you to use the premium version, but you can use the free version. So you click got it. Then for the first thing you need to do is that you click this time here, this settings here. I'm coming, this settings here, this setting here, you click it, so that you must first set up your time zone. So you go to settings, so you look for your time zone. Look for your time zone. Okay, yes, this is your time hour format. Okay, leave this one. You look for your time zone. I'm trying to look for where that time zone is. I'm coming. Because you need to first set up your time zone symbols. Yes, this is your time zone. So this is where I went to. I went to symbols. Let me go back. Anyway, I'm recording so you can watch it. So you click on symbol, then you go to your time zone. So since you are in India, you search until you get your own time zone. India. Okay. I think Jakarta is in India. Am I right? Tokyo.
No, it's Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Is,
Yeah, Kolkata.
is it Jakarta?
Kolkata. Yes, yes.
Okay. Just click it. Then precision, just leave it like that. Then click OK. Because you must use your own time zone. My own trading view is on my own country here in Nigeria. So you first set your times. That's the first thing that you set. Then the next thing is you can see below here there is a default, there's something like histogram. So you can remove that first. So what you will do is you click on it. Okay, you can just go here. I'm coming. Click here and remove everything, remove drawings and indicators to make it blank. I can see that it's blank now. You want it to be fresh. So you don't want anything to be there. So the next thing is that you want to pick the type of candles you want to select, because we have different kind of candles. This is a type of candle. We have different candle types. So if you want to use the candle that I use, you go to plus sign, you go to let me see, drawings, you go to candles, coming. Let me confirm very well because it has been long I've set this up. Let me click plus sign, plus sign, indicators, coming, indicators, no, drawings, templates. It has been long I've done this thing, so I can't really remember where I picked those candles again. Coming. Okay, let me try this. Drawings, loss sign. Okay, it should be here. Trend lines, gain, coming, geometric types, annotation, patterns, measurement, visuals. I'm trying to remember where you can get candle type that you can use. Candle. Ah, it's not here. It's not here. I can't remember where I used to get that candle. Okay. I've seen it. You go to this place, this this place, that three dots, you click it, then you click on chart type. So there are different chart type that you can use. But before I was using Icon Anshi before. This is what I was using before. Until I now use, I think I'm using the normal candle. So let me confirm from my own trading view to confirm the one I'm using. Trading view. Let me confirm the one I'm using. Okay, let me confirm the type I'm using. Chart type. Okay, I'm using the normal candles. I was using the ancient before. Okay, I'm using the normal candle. So it's already on the normal candle. Just leave it like that. Then the next thing is now, I want to now teach us. After you have signed up on your trading view, you have already set up the candle. Now, let me now teach us. I don't want to load us because we have so many weeks ahead for us to learn. So I don't want to be rushing us. So today only, I'll just be teaching new people here on how you can identify three things. Number one, I want to explain what candles are, what each candles are, and what we call supports, resistance, and how you can identify downward trend and upward trend. Now, each candles you are seeing here, they have a meaning. Anytime you see a green candle like this, it shows this candle means there are more buyers. That's why the coin is greenish. And anytime you see a red candle, it means there are more sellers than buyers. So the sellers prevail over the buyer. That's why we have a red candle. So sometimes, like the chart I was showing us, where all the coins, the chart was going down. So if I check, let me look for another coin. Let me look for another coin on the wall, maybe on the 1 hour, 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour chart. So you can have this favorite on your favorite, because I do most of my analysis on 1 hour. So you can favorite it. So if you want to use 3 hours, you can. If you want to use 1 day charts, you can. These are my major chart that I use. So here, this one's 2 time. Okay, yes, yes, this is a good one. Now you can see like this. Anytime you see a green candle, it shows that there are buyers, more buyers. And anytime a candle closes depending if you are doing analysis on the 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. There are different ways you can analyze your chart. But let me first explain what candle is all about. Anytime you see a green candle, it shows when this candle started, it opened at a particular price and it ended at another particular price. When a candle closes in green, it shows that the buyers, they won in that candle at that time frame. And anytime you see a red candle, it shows there are more sellers. Now, A green candle always open from the bottom. Like this candle we are seeing here, a green candle always open from the bottom and it close at the top. It opens at the bottom and it closes at the top. That's why green candles always, when there are more green candles, it makes the chart to go up and it helps the coin to go up in price. But red candle opens at the top. It opens at the top and it closes at the bottom. It opens at the top and it closes at the bottom. That is why if you see a down like this place here, let me be taking one by one. So that's how a candle opens. A green candle opens from the bottom and it closes at the top. But a red candle opens at the top and it closes at the bottom. Now, in candles, you will see there are differences in a candle. A candle have a body. This is a body. This is the body of a candle. This big this big place is the body of a candle, and this place is the wick. Just like candle, normal candle that we know that we use to on our light. So this is a body, this is a wick. This is a body, this is a wick. So those are the things you need to learn about candles. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is how do you identify what we call a downward trend and an upward trend? A downward trend and an upward trend, because the trend of the charts, the movement of the candles will determine when you enter a coin. The movement of the charts, how the chart is moving, whether it's moving up, is moving down, will determine how you can enter, identify an entry. Now, you can see here, let me show you a downward trend. From here, you can identify a downward trend that from this place down to this place is a downward trend. It's a downward trend. So from here to this place is a downward trend. And this chart is on 1 hour. It means after every 1 hour, this coin was going down. It was going down until it got to this place. So the moment it got here, the coin began to reverse up. The moment it began to reverse from here, a green candle was formed, then an upward trend began to form on it got here. So this is a downward trend and this is an upward trend, a downward trend and an upward trend. And how do you now enter a coin? Anytime you want to enter a coin, you enter a coin. The first thing you need to do is when you you open a chart, you first identify how can I locate a downward trend in this chart. Because the moment you can identify a downward trend on a coin, then you can now enter from the lowest candle. Like from here, you can discover that this coin was going down, going down, going down, going down, going down until it got here. So you can now say, okay, since the coin has been going down, the next thing for it is to go up. So you can now enter from here. So the moment you enter from here, then the coin can begin to go up in value for you to take your profits. So I have discussed about explaining what candles are, how the shape they are, what makes up a candle, a downward trend and an upward trend. And the next thing I want to talk about is what we call support and resistance. Support and resistance. In every chart, there's always a support and a resistance, because when a chart is forming, it can come to a point whereby it will reach the highest point and it begins to go down. So let me just identify some support for us and a resistance for us. Now, support is the lowest point in a chart. You can determine where you want to start your analysis from a particular candles to identify your support. Now, support is the lowest level, the lowest part of the chart. Now from here now, this place is a support. Here, this is support. That's the bottom of the chart. Now, from here, we can say this is a resistance. Resistance is the highest point a coin reached and the price was resisted and it began to come down until it came down to this place. So this is a support, the bottom, and this is a resistance. So if you want to use from here to here, you can say that this is the resistance here, this red candle. The moment this candle reached this highest place at the top of this long wick, it was resisted and it formed another candle. So you can identify support and resistance in different parts of the chart. So let me go back again. Let's go back. All these places are support, no, are resistance here. This is a resistance. No, this place is a resistance. It's another resistance. Any point where the coin reach and it begin to go down, it's a resistance. So those are resistance level in this chart where the coin gets to this particular value, it reach the top and it begin to bounce back down. It went up like this again, it reached this top on this green candle and it was resisted, it started coming down to this support. So that is how you can identify resistance and support in charts. So I don't want to talk too much so that I will not bombard us with too much information. So I will stop on that on trading view today, and I go to the next agenda today. Let me go to the next agenda. Now, the next agenda I want to talk about is money management. Money management is very, very important when you are doing crypto trading. Even if you have $1,000, you have $3,000, you have $500, you don't put all your money in the trade. You don't put all your money in the trade. Let's say you have let me open a blank paper and comment that I can explain to us very well. Let me open up a blank. Okay. This card. So I can use it to explain to us. In crypto trading, you don't expose all your capital into a trade. You don't put all your money in a trade. You don't put all your money in a trade. You don't do that, so that when the market goes against you, you must still have some money available that you can use to trade. Now, let's say you started your trade. Let's say you have $1,000. $1,000. You don't put all this $1,000 in a trade. You need to at least divide this $1,000 into like $300, $300, $300 in like 3 places. Now, this $300, you can use it with this $1,000. You can decide that let me first start my trade with $300 and $300. These two, you leave this balance down in case the market goes against you. And with this $300, you can now, because in our team we have different trade setting for different capital. We have different trade setting for each capital. So if you want to start a trade, the total money you have is $1,000. You need to put like $300 in a coin, another $300 in a coin. Leave this balance. Don't put all your money in the trade. The $300, we have a setting for $300 in such a way that when you enter a coin, the setting will allow the bot to use up to like $300. I might not even use up to the $300. Then you can now enter another coin with $300, and the bot might not even use up all your $300. Leave the $300 down in case the market goes against you. That's why if I go and show us on our group, on our registered members group, we have anytime anybody wants to start RoyalQ, I always give them, but I don't usually share it. Is in the group. This is our trade setting, which is very, very important. So if you have like $3,000,
అదే సార్
అది సార్ ఆయన కనెక్షన్ అది
అదేనా
టైం కట్ అయినట్టుంది, వెయిట్ చేద్దాం. అది
ఓకే
మెసేజ్
సార్
చేశా. జాయిన్ అవుతున్నాడు అనుకుంటా.
ఓకే సార్
మేబీ ఆయన మొబైల్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ అయిందా లేదంటే వెయిట్ చేద్దాం. కానీ ఇది సెషన్ మంచి వాల్యుబుల్ సెషన్.
అది ట్రేడింగ్ సపరేట్ యాప్ సార్?
ట్రేడింగ్ వ్యూ అనేది మన ప్లే స్టోర్ లో ఏదైనా ఒక కాయిన్ ని అనలైజ్ చేయాలంటే ట్రేడింగ్ వ్యూ అనేది ఒక యాప్. సో దాంట్లో మనం వాచ్ లిస్ట్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఆ వాచ్ లిస్ట్ లో ఎనీ కాయిన్ మనం యాడ్ చేసుకొని అనలైజ్ చేయడం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది కాయిన్ పంప్ అవుతుందా డంప్ అవుతుందా విత్ ఇన్ 24 ఫ్రేమ్స్, 1 hour టైం ఫ్రేమ్ ఈజ్ బ్యాక్.
కుమార్ మ్యూట్ చేసుకో.
hello, where did I stop? Please, where did I stop?
We were talking about money management. Like suppose you are showing settings.
Okay, I was showing settings where I was
Yes.
drawing $1,000, $300. Then I go to the PDF file. Abi?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
I never knew that I've went off. Sorry about that. Thank you for calling me back. I didn't know.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you for calling me back. So as I was saying, wait, are you seeing my screen? Let me see. No, I'm not sharing my screen now. Let me start sharing my screen. Oh, can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Oh, sorry, but I didn't know that I've gone off. So as I was saying, I said that when you have any capital that you have, don't put all into a trade. So I was just saying that if say you have $1,000, make sure you divide that $1,000 to like 3 places. Then with that $1,000, you can be able to trade like 2 coins. So we have different trade setting for like $100, $200 to $250, $300, $500, $600. We have different trade setting for each capital that you have, and those trade settings will be able to give you a limit which the bot can be able to buy. How far can the bot go with this your trade setting? And with this $300 to $400 setting, it means the bot can be able to buy even if the coin go down as low as -30%. That's the meaning. So all this margin call drop you are seeing means that when the coin is going down, you can see that the first buying amount here is $15. So you don't enter into a coin with the whole amount. You don't enter, let me mute.
Yeah, please mute all.
When you are trading, you don't put all the money, all the capital into trade. People that do manual trading, this is what they do. If you have $1,000, what they always do is this: they will put their entire $300 once into a coin. They put all the $300 to a coin, but it's as it is an disadvantage for them because they are buying at a particular price, and to buy the quantity of coin once. Let's say they are using so that you can see the benefits of the bot. If they use their $300 to buy a coin when they bought, the coin was 0.01. Okay, let me use like okay, yes, 0.01. So if they used to buy a coin, they will buy the coin once with $300 and they will get 30,000 units of that coin. But RoyalQ does not work like that. RoyalQ uses what we call dollar cost average. It will be buying the coins gradually as they are going down. And at the end of the day, you that you are using the bot will buy the coins much more than the person that bought at this 0.01 price, because the bot will be buying gradually. The moment it first buy with $15, we just buy 15 divided by 0.01. You first buy 1,500 units of that coin. If the coin now goes down, let's say to like 0.09, you can now say that let the bot buy with $30. It will now buy more quantity. So if the coin now goes down again, maybe by 8.9, you can say that let the bot should buy $40 unit of those coins. Let's say $40 unit of those coins. It will now buy more. So if the coin goes down again, maybe by 0.0885, you can now say that let the bot use $45 to buy. It will buy more again. If the coin now goes down again to like 0.0082, you can tell the bot to buy $60 worth. That's 6,008. So the moment the bot now use like $300 when the coin was going down gradually, you that were using the bot, you will buy more than the person that is just buying manually directly on the exchange. So that's the benefit of the bot. So that's the parameter we use these settings for, that as the coin is going down gradually, if it goes down by minus 0.4, buy also amount. If it goes down again by 0.8%, buy also amount. If it goes down again, as it's going down gradually, the bot will be buying more quantities of the coin, so that when the coin now begin to go up and down, even as it's going up and down, it will be making some profit for you. That's the way the bot works. So don't put all your money once. We don't put all our money once into the trade. So it's very, very important we understand that the bot uses what we call martingale strategy, using dollar cost average, and you'll be buying more. And the person that bought $300 worth of the coin for just 30,000, at the end of the day, the moment the coin buys, the moment the bot use your $300 worth, it might even buy more than this person. That's about, maybe can buy like 45,000 units of the coin. No, it can buy maybe like 45,000 units of the coin, more than the person that exposed all his capital once into that coin. And the person will have to be waiting until the coin goes up. So Mr. A that put all his coin, $300 in a coin, as the value of the coin is going down, he will not be making, he just have to be waiting. So the moment the coin goes up in a particular price, it's not making any money. If it goes up again, it's not making any money. If it goes down again, it buys more. It won't buy anything. If it goes up, it's not making any money. But Mr. B that used the RoyalQ bot to be buying, as the bot buys, and it's going up and down like this, it's been making money for you until it gets the entry price and sell the bulk of the first 4 margin calls and goes up. You make more profit than Mr. A that put all his money in the coin once. That's the benefit of the bot. Let me give you an example so that you can understand the power of money management dollar cost average with the bot. You know, as I was showing us, let me open this person. As I was showing us how the candles are moving. So as the candles are moving up and down, that is the way the bot will be buying gradually. Like this coin now, this coin will soon deliver link. If I go up here, so that you can see the transaction record, you see that this bot, are you seeing it? This person entered this coin. I think that was on 24th. That was yesterday. It was buying. When it got to, I think he bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the moment you go to the 6th margin call, to the 6th level, let me show us here. If you go to margin configuration here, so that you can understand how the bot works. When it got to this level, okay, yeah, let it open. Okay. When it got to, it bought here, it bought the first buying amount is $15. It bought $30 worth here. It got here, it bought 3 times now $15. It bought $45 worth of the coin. It got here, it bought $45 worth of the coin again. It got here, it bought $60 worth of the coin. So the moment it was not going down more, it bought the 6th call. So when it got here, 6th call, when it got to 6th call, it bought like $16 worth. It got $16 worth. So the moment the coin just went up beyond the price it bought before, it now sold. That's what you saw here in the margin calls here at the top right corner, and that's what you saw here. When you buy, it got to the 6th level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It got here, it sold. So anytime you see small cents that you're just making, somebody just told me that it was in the trade, and what you're just getting is the profit is so small, because it does not understand yet how the bot works. Because at this level, the bot just sold 16.57 worth of the coin. So it will just give this person 0.16 cents. So it will small profit, because it's buying as the coin is going down. It's sold when the price went above. So the moment it got again, it saw that the coin went down again. And since when it was sold at 14.169, the coin now went drastically down to 13.895. It now bought $16.396 worth. Then the moment the coin went up again above this 13.895, it sold again at 14.085. So the person makes sense again. So the coin went down again to 13.948. It bought, it went down again, it bought. The moment it went above the last time it brought at 13.654, it sold again. It began to sell, because the coin was going higher. That's how the bot works. This is the last price it bought. So the moment the price went above this price, it sold. The coin went higher again, it sold. The coin went higher again, it sold. That's how the bot works. So the moment the coin went down again, it bought. And the last time it's bought again was when the price of the coin was let me see, 13.592. Then when the price went higher than this price you bought, it sold again. That's how it will be selling. So it will be selling at all this level you are seeing. As it's going down, it will buying, and it will be using this percentage here to be selling. Are you seeing it? It will sell at 1.3%. If you reach 5th level, 6th level, 7th level, it will be selling at 1.3%. If you want it to be giving more profit, you can increase it. Let's say it will be giving like 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. If you save it at this level, we can sell and give you more profit, more than the one you are saying there. But I always like to put it at 1.3% so that it can give faster sell. So the moment the coin that you are trading now gets to these first 4 levels here, because it's already approaching this place. The coin is around here now. The moment you get to this place, you will discover that the total amount the bot used to buy here is $30 a year, 2 times 15, $45 a year, 45, $60. So the total here is, this should be 90 plus 60, 150. That's a total of 180, $180. Then plus the first buy amount, $15, that's $195. Now the boss sells this first four as at a bulk. So the moment it reaches this level, it won't sell, it won't sell, it won't sell, it won't sell. The moment it gets above the initial price, it will now sell this coin at the percentage profit we give it here, which is this. That is 4.1 minus 0.2. It will sell at let me look for calculator. It will sell 4.1 minus 0.2. It will sell 3.9% of 195. The person will now make about $7, $7.6 when the coin goes higher than the entry price. And by tomorrow, this coin will deliver. Because I've already explained the analysis of this coin for us. So I think I'll be able to talk about can see that it's already showing green. It will soon sell. So I think I've spoken about trading view setup, and okay, I've not spoken about turning your day trading to institutional trading. Before I continue, let me give room for a question. If you have understood what I have been saying so far, type 3 in the chat, please. If you have understood what I've been saying so far, type 3 in the chat. Or if you have understood what I've been saying so far, because this might be your first time of attending this technical training. If you have understood what I've been saying so far, type 3 in the chat. I need more people to just type so that I can continue. I'll also be rounding up. So if you are not typing 3 in the chat, it means all the things I've been saying for almost 1 hour now, you don't understand anything I'm saying. That's the reason why we're not typing 3. If you have understood what I've been saying so far, you might not understand everything now, but at least you're able to understand some things I've been explaining. So if you are not typing 3, it shows all the things I've been saying so far, you don't understand it. So I'll be expecting that when the time for question comes, you should be able to ask questions. So that means only 2 people understood what I've been saying so far. So after now, you can go and check the recording so that you can watch it, so that you can learn more about what you're saying so far. You can watch the recording. So now let me now go to the forecast of the market. Because normally, if it was on Monday, I do forecast on the beginning of the week. That's the best time to forecast. So I can say give us a forecast that where is the market going. And Bitcoin is what determines the direction and the movement of the market. You can see the market is still very, very green. So let us confirm whether this will be sustained till tomorrow. Because it has been green since morning. It has been pumping. This unit you are seeing here was 12%, has turned to 17%. So anybody in that coin will have been making a lot of money. So you can know where the market is going by checking Bitcoin. So let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin is what determines the movement of the market. Okay. So the graph is pointing up here. But the way it's pointing up, I don't like it. It's clean like this. So if you can point up after 7 hours, 56 minutes, if it points up, if another green candle is formed here, if another green candle is formed here, and it pumps up, and if you can touch like 37,000, then the market will still pump more. And people that have been in some of their coins, the floating loss will reduce more. So that's just the forecast. So the market is still coming up by tomorrow. It's not that we're going straight directly, but it's coming up from analysis. It's coming up. Now, the next thing to talk about is let me look for the next thing to talk about. For those of us that want to share the opportunity with people, your family and friends, knowing that their capital is safe in their Binance exchange, we are still having an incentive that is still ongoing. Where's the incentive? Okay, this is incentive, and it's still running since 1st November till December 31st, the next month. So if you sign up 5 people between now and 24th of December, you should be getting an amper. But if you are not close to us in Nigeria, you get a cash reward. And if you sign up 10 people between now and December 24th, you get an amper or a cash reward. Or if you are not close to where we are, then you get the cash reward for that too. And it can be able to rank by getting 20 people more to sign up through your link. Then you are moving to the next rank, which is called V2, and you get extra $100 cash flow. Apart from, if you each person that you refer, you get $30. You get $30. But the moment you refer 20 people, that's about $600 for you. So if you need more capital to trade, share the opportunity with people and you get bonus. Because on RoyalQ, we have let me just show us very fast. On RoyalQ, we have 2 types of reward. You are rewarded on your trade profit in your Binance, and when you share the opportunity with people, anytime they are trading and their profit is going into their Binance, you also get a reward. You can see here, you also get a reward daily, no matter how small. As people are trading under you, you also make some small profit as they are trading under you. You make some small change as they are trading under. The more people you have in your team, the more you will also be earning daily. So I would love to stop the meeting here tonight so that I can give room for questions. So if you need more clarity, you want to ask question, this is the opportunity for you to do that. So you can ask your question.
Sir, I have one question.
Okay.
So it's regarding floating loss. Let's say I open one trade, so I switched off margin calls. So still may I know why still floating loss it will increase, because it will not buy it, right, if you switch off margin calls.
That's a very good question, sir. The reason why, we both of us chatted and I said that because I don't want what happened the last time to happen again. That's why I said to switch off the margin call so that it will not dip much into your capital. So if you switch on the margin calls, the bot will be able to buy more. Like yesterday, just imagine if you didn't switch off the margin call yesterday. We never knew there was a news that would come that yesterday. We never knew. So that news yesterday made the market to dip massively. And if you didn't switch off your margin call, the bot will have moved into your USDT. It will buy. But if it's buy, the moment the market went down, it will have bought more. If you have enough USDT, today now the market started coming up, you'll have made some profit. But I was just trying to do money management for you so that the bot will not enter into USDT too much. But if you have switched on your margin call yesterday, the floating loss will have increased more massively, because the bot will even help you. As the market is going down, the bot will not be buying. As it's buying more for you, it will be able to reduce that floating loss. At the moment the market started reversing up, like today now, it will be giving more profit. I was just trying to be cautious so that you will not dip too much into your USDT, so that you still have more USDT on ground if you want to enter into other signals. That's why I say you switch off your margin call. But I will have Like I know some people I told that have been in a coin for a very long time and they don't even have any USDT again. So I told them to switch off their margin call so that they can earn money to trade other coins. So that's one of the way you do money management. You don't want the bot to dip more into your USDT if you don't have much, so that you'll be able to have more USDT to trade other signals. So that's just it about switching off the margin call. So any other question?
Yeah, I have one more question. Like in TradeView, there is a record play feature also there, right? For an instance, let's say past 24 hours, if I wanted to see past 24 hours behavior of the BTC or any other kind, there is a record and playback feature also there, right? In TradeView.
Are you talking about the sports trading or futures trading?
Your spot trading only in trading view. So there is a play button. So if you just click on play button, it will shows the like what time it pump and what time it dump. Like it will
Okay.
shows the behavior of the past behavior of the coin. So in TradeView there is a feature called playback feature. So I just saw some video, so I
Okay.
just wanted to cross checking with you.
Anyway, I've not explored that. Trading view is very, very deep. It has many, many features. So I've not really explored all those other features. I've used a lot of indicators. I use a lot of settings in trading view, but I decided to just focus on just two indicators. Even before, in the trading view was allowing us to use like three indicators, but now they have reduced it to just only two for now. So that play pattern, I've not explored it. You can send me the video so I can watch it, so that I can also know, because we don't know. We always learn every day. We always learn every day. I don't know much about that, but if you just send me the video, you watch, I can watch it so that I can explain to others. Or if you understand, you can explain to us.
No. I also don't know much. I just saw one video. I'm very. I don't know
Just send me
much
the
about
video.
trading view. I have to learn from you
Send me the
only.
video.
Yeah,
Send me
yeah,
the
sure.
video, and I'll watch it. And in the next training, I can teach us.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you very much for your time, and
Yeah.
we'll open questions for my team also.
If there's another question, let's you ask questions so that I can answer them.
Yeah, hi all. Anybody having some question, please feel free to ask. Don't shy about English. So
Let
you
them
just
speak.
ask.
Let them just speak. I will answer them. Because I
Yeah.
discovered the only one speaking. I want them to speak because they have their money in real. Let them speak. Don't be
Yeah. Hi.
shy. If you are shy, you can just type in the chat.
Yeah, our coach is he's a friendly guy. We can feel free to ask question.
Be
Yeah,
free to
don't.
ask your question,
Yeah.
please. Ask your question, or you can type, because I know we have questions to ask. Or you can type. Type anyhow you want to type. I will understand. I will answer us.
Hi, Kumar, Ramesh, Bhaskar, Sukur, and yeah, I don't know. మీరు
Okay,
క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగచ్చు. Yeah.
maybe in the next meeting they can ask any question they want to ask. They can give it to you, then you can ask, then I'll answer, because I really want to answer people's question, because the more you learn about the RoyalQ, I'm really feeling for, I think, Dr. I want to know his name.
Prem Kumar.
Yes, let me look for his name. I'm really feeling for him, because I think Dr. Rajendra, Dr.
Yeah, Dr.
Kumar,
Rajendra.
Dr. Prem Kumar. I'm really feeling, especially for Dr. Rajendra, because he has a lot of his money in that acro. Am I right?
No, it's Kumar in Akro.
Yes, he has a lot of his money. I want to please, I'm trying to say, please, just be patient. Your coin will surely, that's something about crypto. You can enter a coin and it will go against you, but would just be rest assured that your money is not lost. It's just gone down in value. That's the nature of crypto. But from my chart, that's why I give us analysis that the coin is still coming up. It might take weeks. It might take weeks. Even the analysis that we have been seeing all this while, it's going to come up. So be more patient, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
I'm listening, sir.
Next 3 to 4 weeks is pumping, sir.
Is that?
Coming weeks. Hello.
It's breaking. It's breaking.
Kumar, sir, your voice is breaking. You can ask now.
Next 3 to 2 weeks, Acro is pumping, sir.
We should be expecting that maybe in the next anything I'm saying here is a projection. Is a projection. So because as at early this month, most of the leaders and a lot of people have their money in Acro, a lot. People have even up to $9,000 in that Acro, because that Acro was really performing very well before it started going down. But when the coin goes down, it must surely come up. So if it comes up and it releases much of your coin money back, maybe like I can't see, I don't know how much is in that trade, but when it begins to come up to like 500, 600, $800, then we can now start using that other remaining balance that it has released. When the coin has come down up in value, we can now begin to use it for other coins, which I will be making sure I do my analysis very well, so that we can be able to become happy again, so that I can be making money. Crypto market is not our friend. It's not our friend. Sometimes you can enter some signals. And there's a man in my group, Mr. I might not know him, Mr. Lincoln. He abandoned RoyalQ almost a month when he entered that same Acro, and it's now earned his money. And he also entered Gala. So Gala delivered. For almost a month, he now went to go and remove all his capital from the sports wallet to the fund wallet. And I discovered that he's not trading again. I kept on chatting in. So now when I now begin to talk to him again, I now encouraged him. He now came back. Within 1 week to 2 weeks, I was giving signals. It was making money daily, weekly. It was not becoming happy again until we now enter into KSM, the last coin I gave him. And KSM is now taking long now to deliver. So that is the way crypto trading is. It will be doing well. All of a sudden, you can enter a coin and the market can go against that coin to be coming down. That at that point in time, you have to be patient, because we have done several coins like JST, ANT, SLP, and WorldCoin that it took long for them to deliver. But the moment they now deliver, they have been going up, going on. That's the nature of crypto trading. So Acro is coming up. So please, sir, I'm begging, just be patient. The coin will come back up and you enjoy RoyalQ back. It's not RoyalQ but that the coin and the market that come down. So just be patient, sir. I'm checking the chat almost every day. I'm praying that the coin will come up. So let's all be patient. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Any other person ask question?
Can you post a video about how to create a strategy in RoyalQ WhatsApp?
You said what, sir?
Can you post a video about create a strategy in RoyalQ?
How to start RoyalQ?
How to create a video? How to create a strategy in RoyalQ?
Okay. I have several videos on that. I'll send it to you. Just chat me on WhatsApp. Chat me on WhatsApp. Ask me the question on WhatsApp. I have a lot of videos on RoyalQ setup. So I'll send it to you. Just chat me on WhatsApp, sir. I hope you have my WhatsApp number. Just chat me.
Okay. I have your WhatsApp number. I have your WhatsApp number.
Let him chat me directly so that I will send it to him.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So any other question? Let us be free to ask our question, please. Okay, if there's no other question, our next meeting will be on Friday, and that Friday will be a general meeting where we'll be talking about RoyalQ, where you can invite your family and friends. Let me show you a woman that is in RoyalQ. Her name is Dr. Money. That woman joined RoyalQ as I joined RoyalQ in 2021, and that woman has made a lot of money from RoyalQ. If you see the house she built with RoyalQ, because she was building a team of traders under her. I think I'm in one of that group, team builder. If you see the house, beautiful house. She's a doctor, but she took RoyalQ very, very serious in 2021, and it was ranking very fast. And she has over 1,500 team members globally. She's the only VCs all over the world. She's the only VCs all over the world. You will see me pasting some trade reward details. People making on their team as they are trading, making like $100 per day, $300 per day. As at 2021, people are making, okay, anyway, I sent one to the group. You can see this chart of people making all this money we are seeing here, $6,000 in it. These are daily, this is a monthly total profit made from the team. The total this person has made so far in just 2 years plus $183,000. That's massive. That is the money you can make when you share this business with people and they are trading under you. You'll be making more money. So by Friday, let us invite more people. Let the house be very full. Come and share RoyalQ with people where their money is safe, where they can have access to their money, and a bot will be able them to be trading, buying and selling while they are sleeping, while they are going about their activities. So on Friday, let us invite more people to attend our general presentation. So thank you everybody for tonight's meeting, and I really appreciate
Sir,
one of
uh,
us.
sir, one important question, sir.
Okay.
So now one trending news like Binance CEO got changed, right? He resigned, and one new CEO is onboarded, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
will that impact on our funds? Our funds is safe, right? Is there any impact on us?
Yes. Let me answer that your question.
Because our fund is there in Binance.
You know, I have been I've been in crypto for a long time now, and we have been seeing this happening a lot. So the moment I got that notice, you should know me that I'm always posting updates in the groups, always in a group. So the moment I got the message, I saw the message, I was not scared. I was not bothered. I was not bothered because the US, they are very strict in their laws. US are very, very strict. So what really happened was that they are not really after the entire Binance in other countries. Binance is in different countries globally, in Nigeria, in Congo, in South Africa, in India, in Indonesia. They are in different countries. So their main target is on Binance US. Binance US. And what they are after is they want Binance to comply to their laws, to their rules, to their regulations. So over the years, they have been trying to sue Binance and CZ Chow Bank that he is not really following the rules and regulation, the law of US, because they have been monitoring transactions on Binance, and they have been seeing some irregularities. They have been seeing, so time after time they've been warning him, sending messages to him, and they have been going back and forth. So at the end of the day, they have to now really slam on him, because before US will really take you up, they will have done their research very, very well. So they discovered that there's a lot of movement of funds. They were able to trace some those funds to all these terrorists, all this trafficking. People are using the Binance exchange for unusual transactions, and they've discovered some irregularities on the Binance. So they want people's funds to be safe. So that's why at the end, the Binance have CEO have to make sure that he pays the fine that they levied against him. So CZ now paid a whooping $4 billion. You know, CZ is one of the richest man in the world. When I read the report yesterday, he was once one of the 11th most richest man, and when all this they were suing him, the government of US was suing him, they ranked him, he has come down in the rank, and he still is one of the most out of the most 100 people richest in the world. So there's no cause for alarm, because he knew the US now demanded that he just have to step down. So he has stepped down, and a new CEO has assumed the position, and the US demanded that they need somebody that will be ready to follow the rules and regulations. So that's why they now appointed Richard Tank, because over the years he has over 30 years experience with compliance, with regulations, with laws. So US is very comfortable with Richard Tank, and CZ is comfortable with him, that he will be able to undo Binance very well. So there's no cause for any alarm. So that little issue that happened yesterday was what made coins, the market, to dip massively, because that's the way the crypto market, anytime there's a negative news, people begin to have fear. Me, I'm not bothered. I've been seeing that time after time. And when even some of them, there's a level of politics behind all those things. I'm telling you, there's some level of politics. Like most of the big institutions that want to invest more in coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, like BlackRock, Vanguard, these are big time whales. They sometimes influence all those things so that they'll be able to buy coins cheaper. So anytime coins go down, people are even expect coins to go down so they can buy it cheaper. So there's no cause for alarm as far as I know. So just be calm. There's no cause for any alarm. So don't be afraid, please. I hope I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
Is this any impact in market, sir?
He said, any other question?
Any impact in market if his CEO's change?
No, the impact was felt already yesterday. We saw the impact yesterday. The moment there was a news that they were trying to change, that they were about to sue the CEO, CZ, and all, when they gave him, they leveled all the allegations against him. So all those news made the market to dip yesterday. But you saw immediately after the dip yesterday, today, you have seen that the market has even rose up again. Are you not seeing that? I show us all the market is still green now. So the market is still coming up. So there's a level of politics with all these too. So people might want to influence this to happen so that the market will dip. So they can do. There's no cause for alarm. The market has rebounded back and it's going to pick up more. So there's no cause for any alarm. So any other question?
Sir, yeah, you stretched it. Thanks a lot for some time.
You're welcome. So we will meet on Friday again for
We'll meet on Friday.
Zoom meeting on RoyalQ. Invite your family and friends. The next week, Monday, we'll be doing this technical training on Mondays by 8:30 p.m. Indian time. So thank you everybody for coming for this meeting tonight. So have a blessed night. I really appreciate every one of us. Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Good night.